Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Fiji Fabric Visitor Chair. Features. The Fiji Fabric Visitor Chair fuses a bold geometric design with curved elements for a softer look, and is perfect for use in the meeting room or boardroom, or even at the desk end for impromptu meetings. The cushioned geometric backrest with ergonomic lumbar sculpture supports you as you sit. The seat pad is contoured for comfort and features a waterfall seat front to help ease pressure on the legs and aid circulation. The integral padded headrest area helps to support the head and neck. This chair is supplied with fixed height curved armrests, which are topped with matching arm pads for comfort. The upholstery coordinates perfectly with the classic silver frame, armrests and cantilever base. The Fiji is fully upholstered in a choice of blue, black or wine fabric. The chair supports users up to 110 kilograms, 17.3 stone. Foams are fire retardant to British Standard BS 5852, Level 0, 1 and 5, and fabrics to EN 1021 Parts 1 and 2. The Fiji comes complete with a 2-year manufacturer's guarantee for up to 8 hours use per day, so you can buy with confidence. Available from stock and delivered flat packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.